Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. No Chefs here. You know what I haven't had in a while? Chicken wings. I've got something on my mind. It's going to be delicious. Let's check it out. All I've got here is just half pound of chicken wings, and I have flats and drumettes. Just a small portion, individual portion. Take a small knife and make cuts in the thick parts to help marinade penetrate better. It will also help it cook a little bit better. With the flat, I'm just gonna go in the center all the way through, like this. I have fish sauce, 2, white pepper, fish sauce by itself is very strong and it's also very salty. I normally don't do this, but this time I'm breaking out brown sugar. 1 teaspoon as well. Now we just have to mix. Everything looks well combined. I'm just gonna wait about 20 to 30 minutes, but you can marinate for as long as you want and let them come up to room temperature. So I'm spreading just a little bit of no flavor oil, in my case canola oil. Medium-high heat. Should not need much oil because chicken wings already have some fat. So it doesn't matter which side down you choose to put them. I prefer to start flipping every 2 minutes or so, all the way until they're done. Look at this gorgeous color. This is also due to sugar that helps caramelize the skin. So this was total about 10 minutes of flipping constantly, but you definitely have to check to make sure that they're done. In the thicker part of the chicken, I poked a hole in here with a chopstick to make sure that the meat is completely done. Let's give this a try. That is really delicious. Cooked perfectly well. Good balance between sweet and salty. Really nice. If you don't like fish sauce, that's fine. You can also use the same approach with soy sauce or oyster sauce. Thank you so much for watching. This is it for today. Until next time, I wish you nothing but the best.